Okay, so sorry about more bull crap. Blogs about my crappy life and what I have and what you don't. And so this skanky ass gross microwave is going to be moved into the shop. Why? It works fine, as gross as it looks on the inside. You'll see why in a second. Oh, damn, that's gross. I think she has a good few miles on her. What do you think? I was wondering why it was lumping so much. It's got rot holes. It's rotten like a fucking car. I mean, we've had this stupid thing since we moved in, so I'm proud of this damn microwave. Now, what are you gonna use it for in the shop? You have mice issues, don't you remember? Here. I'll just go like 5 seconds. You can hear it lumping in there. You hear it lumping about. No, this thing's totally old as dirt, had its life, blah blah blah. But it still works. It still freaking works. I mean, even if all it does is just sit there and tell time on the, probably the woodworking bench would be where I'm going to put it. I mean, I might be able to reserve some space on the main workbench, but that'd be where all the grease and oil is going. Well, with the woodworking bench table, it's only really wood chips. But both are flammable or can be flammable. Heat orbs. Yeah, dude. So, any hoot. Yeah, this kitchen looks a lot different than it normally does it not? I mean, hell, this old thing is working fine. Dad does have a new microwave coming in. It's a wee bit bigger. If it happens to come in tomorrow, with hoping to God, I'd rather have the tranny coolant fan for the mud run come in a damn microwave. But if both come in, which would be really sick, we'll be unplugging this one, moving it downstairs, and then we'll be putting the new one in, and then we'll be figuring out how the hell we're getting the new tranny coolant fan on for the mud run. Even if we need to, figure out some way into getting the what the hell, even if we need to figure some way into dangling it in there or dropping the tranny and removing the pulley on top. But I think it's just one whole shaft. No, not the shaft, you perverts. Alright, grow up. Oh, a little padlock. We'll move that with us. No. I'm finding a whole bunch of stuff that I don't remember us having any hoot.
That's the new fuel line. Fuel tank. And the next one to do before I refit the carburetor is remove the throttle cable.
We have sparklers, and we'll do a 4th of July special. Wheelies, shitload of sparklers. I mean, we don't have full-fledged fireworks, but you can do sparklers. Alright, I've wasted 4 minutes of time to tell you that we have a shop microwave now or soon, or at some point. Even if I don't do a video of transition, you'll know when we've got the new stuff and when that's the scene down there.